Hello everyone, we're going to do a quick review of the LG direct drive dishwasher. This model is stainless steel. It does attract fingerprints, however, get yourself a stainless steel cleaner and it won't be a problem. On the top panel, when we hit the power button, you'll see in the middle the time required to clean your dishwashers is right here in the middle. That time changes depending on which cycle you choose. Typically I use the Turbo Express cycle and it does a nice job on our dishes. We have dual zone, half load, energy saver, eye temp, extra dry, delayed start and start. Pretty basic, pretty straightforward, with a nice feature here. The extra dry, as you can see inside the dishwasher we got a stainless steel tub. What that tends to do is hold the moisture in, and when you get moisture you might get a little bit of smell. So when you run the extra dry night dry feature, it will run the fan in here periodically to assist in getting your dishes completely 100% dry. On the door you have your location for your detergent, different levels depending on which cycle you're using. And I believe this here pouch is for the jet dry. I don't use it. Plenty of room for your dishes. Plenty of room for your glasses and cups. Utensil caddy is removable. One thing my wife and my son do not like are these little grids that fold down and have your utensils going tail first. What happens then, when you're done washing, you grab the clean part to put them away. Again, if you're a germaphobe, you may not like that. Another unique feature to this model, I've not seen this before. As you can see, we have about 3 inches clearance at the top. If you would like to do a wine glass, it's not gonna fit. What shall we do? Go around the side here, push the button, and adjust your rack down. Do the same thing on the other side and adjust it down. Now, as you can see, plenty of clearance for a wine glass. Keep in mind, as you lower the top rack down, you must make sure that you maintain clearance for the top rack washer. Overall, extremely nice unit. Really like it. Would definitely recommend it. Runs quiet enough that the little kitty can rest right nearby as it's running.